Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. Now, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once whatever it is that you want to capture is open and visible on the screen, you can press power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, the first time around, it will give you this share to screenshot. We have got it, and we can also select right here, expanded, expanded screenshot. So there we go. It starts scrolling. Now, let me try that again, actually. So when you capture, let's tap on it, and okay, so we just tapped to stop it. Now I think I tapped it by mistake before when it was scrolling. So we can basically stop it from scrolling. Now, in terms of this, you can't grab it yourself and drag it up and down to actually precisely position it where you want it to go, however far down you want it. So what I advise you to do is shoot downwards, like overshoot whatever you're trying to capture, and then in here you can grab it. Why can't I grab it? Oh, there we go. So as you can see, we can precisely position it, and there we go. From there, save it, and that's it. So once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application right over here. So it's in the second tab, Collections. Right here we have screenshots. And as you can see, there's three different screenshots. The scrollable one, the non-edited scrollable one, I think. No, the first one. And then the normal one. So anyway, this is how you capture screenshots on here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.